performances on Sunday Night Football.
Yeah.
This one's poisonous. That one's poisonous. This one right there is also poisonous. This one will chew your finger off. That one right there is about $400. Yeah, expensive shit. This is my fish tank.
The one in the corner.
That red one eats everything. The bull. And here's a male. He's got the horns. And that's the female. She will fuck you up. That fish will mess you up. Poison your ass.
Is it poisonous?
Yeah. Let's get a side view. It's our tank, bro. What's up? That's a side view. I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna end in this guy's face.
Yeah, we have to show them what's going
Say
on.
goodbye. I will show you the filter system.
The filter.
That's 1, 2, 3 back there, 4. Back there's number 5. I can't fit anymore, but I would get. That's what goes on behind closed doors.
That's what makes everything worse.
Let's go to the lion. Peace out.